Hi, my name is Bob Schumann. I'm Director of Product Marketing with KPM Analytics. This little video series that we've got is intended to show everyone how to install a SpectraStar XT instrument. So when you receive a SpectraStar XT instrument, you are going to be getting a box that looks like this. First thing you should do is inspect the exterior of the box. If you see any obvious damage or other harm during shipping of the box, please make a note, inform the shipper right away, and also inform us at KPM Analytics. And pictures would be helpful. But hopefully your box shows up in a condition like this, and this is how you are going to go about installing your instrument. So from the top, open up the box. The top of the box opens up like this, and we've got a piece of cardboard that covers the contents inside. And if you look inside, we've got the instrument over on the left, protected by these custom foam pieces. And then over here on my right, we've got the accessory box, and this will be sealed up in your case. So reach in and remove the accessory box. And just to show you what's included in the accessory box, you will get a certificate of the conformity and the testing of your instrument. If there's any software involved, it will come. You've got your multi-cup adapter, you've got your task standards power cords, any sample cups, mice, keyboard, and any other sampling accessories that you've ordered. So this will come well bubble wrapped inside, and you will find all of your sample accessories inside of this box. So we can put this off over to the side. And if we go back in and look at the box, again, we've got the instrument. And over here on the side, you can see that the touchscreen monitor is in here. So reach on either side, carefully remove the touchscreen monitor, and again, place this over on the side in a safe place. And finally, we've got the instrument. So this center part just removes. It's an interlocking foam piece that fits right on top of the instrument. And then there is a small piece here, which is intended to protect the sample window. And then we've got this foam piece, which is surrounding the instrument and protecting the instrument itself. So at this point, the instrument is ready to be removed from the box. So what you want to do is we recommend that you get 2 people for this. It's about 25 kilos, a little bit over 50 pounds, I believe. But you should get 2 people, get on either side, and lift this instrument out of the box and place it onto a sturdy counter. And that's how you're going to get your SpectraStar XT and the accessories out of its shipping container.